Driving around the area in Fairfield, Connecticut after the hurricane hit. Look at this water damage. Oh my God. Every single house in this area where I'm working is totally demolished. All of it. Look at this. Trees down. Hurricane Sandy did so much damage. Look at these people. Look at this. Will you look at this block? Every house totally demolished. Devastated. This is totally devastating. You have to have the National Guard allow us in. Alright, I gotta go back. Right now, look at this water getting pumped out. Look at that. Trucks everywhere. Back up. Head back the other way. Sorry about the interruption, but I made a wrong turn. People are living off of generators. There's no power in this area at all. Look at that block. Devastated. I'm going back down the same street. I gotta go back to the job I was at. I'm gonna be here for months on end, probably. Totally ruined, demolished. Everything. Oh my God. I've never seen any kind of flooding like this in my entire life. All the years I've been in this business, this is the worst I've ever seen. Makes me want to cry. I'm trying to find where my other crews are. Like they're running around like... Because everywhere you go, it's completely ruined. Look, here's the National Guard up here. See him on the corner up there? That's for the looters.